Introduction to Bid Management. Welcome to our course on bid management. We'll start with the fundamentals, then move on to advanced strategies and techniques. Throughout this course, we'll draw on principles from various disciplines to give you a complete understanding of bid management. Module Objectives. By the end of this module, you'll have a foundational understanding of bid management principles. You'll recognize its strategic importance for organizational success and become familiar with the key stages of the bid lifecycle. You'll also learn about the essential roles within a bid team and how technology can be leveraged to enhance the entire process. This module is designed to give you a comprehensive overview of the entire bid management landscape. Welcome to Module 1, Lecture 1, Introduction to Bid Management. This is where we lay the foundational groundwork for our journey. We'll start with the basics of what bid management is, why it's so important, and how it's evolved over time. Throughout this course, we'll draw on principles from a variety of fields, from project management to psychology, to give you a complete and practical understanding of how to win bids. Let's start with the definition of bid management. Bid management is more than just filling out forms. It's a strategic and systematic process that transforms the often complex task of responding to opportunities into a focused and ultimately successful endeavor. It's a holistic approach that encompasses everything from identifying an opportunity to submitting a proposal, and even what happens afterward. At its core, bid management is about orchestrating a complex process with multiple stakeholders and tight deadlines to create a compelling and compliant response that directly addresses the client's needs and demonstrates the bidder's unique value proposition. So why is bid management so important? A well-managed bid process significantly increases your chances of winning. It's about being strategic, not just reactive. For example, by having a structured process, you can quickly evaluate whether a new bid is the right fit for your organization before you invest a lot of time and money in it. This helps you prioritize and avoid wasting your resources on bids you have a low chance of winning. In essence, it helps you build a culture where the organization is constantly seeking out and pursuing the right opportunities. On the flip side, poor bid management can be detrimental. It leads to wasted time and effort, chasing bids you are never likely to win. It can damage your reputation. Submitting sloppy or incomplete proposals makes you look unprofessional. And the worst outcome? You miss out on valuable opportunities for growth. To summarize, remember these key points. Bid management is essential for consistently winning those valuable contracts that fuel growth. Understanding the intricacies of bid management is crucial for any organization aiming to consistently win valuable contracts and achieve its business objectives. It's about transforming a potentially chaotic task into a focused and successful endeavor. However, simply submitting a document is rarely enough. This is where the discipline of bid management comes into play, a strategic and systematic process that transforms the often complex task of responding to opportunities into a focused and ultimately successful endeavor.